Chamonix Mont Blanc, usually shortened to Chamonix, is a resort area near the junction of France, Switzerland, and Italy. At the base of Mont Blanc, the highest summit in the Alps, it's renowned for its skiing. Year-round, cable cars take visitors up to several nearby peaks with panoramic views, including Aiguille du Midi above town, and Point Hellbronner, across vast glacier fields on the Italian border. Chamonix is the most popular summer destination in the Alps and one of Europe's most popular ski resorts. Known as the mountain capital of the world, it is a mecca for skiers, snowboarders, climbers, and sightseeing visitors from around the world. In summer, the Chamonix climate is generally hot and sunny in the lower valleys and pleasantly cool higher up. If you're coming for hiking, rock climbing, mountaineering, mountain biking, or looking for marmots, then the summer months of June, July, August, and September are the ideal time for you. The temperatures are pleasant and the snow and ice have melted enough for the paths and crags to be accessible for all activities. Chamonix and the Chamonix Valley are perfect destinations for a summer trip, whether you just want to ride the lifts and see the sights or hike up the mountains yourself. The town is so much more than a ski resort. In fact, you can really have a great time here without setting foot on a lift. Its center is home to swimming pools, spa, indoor sports courts, a bouldering room, gym, and a whole host more. With these vast, jagged mountains towering over the town, the scenery here is arguably the most spectacular in the French Alps. The snow-capped peaks soar into the bright blue sky, ancient glaciers sweep down towards the valley floor and waterfalls cascade through pine-covered hillsides. The natural beauty of this valley is the main draw for those who love the outdoors, whether skiers, mountaineers, hikers or sightseers. There is a real international feel here, not just from tourists but from individuals and families who have decided to settle here from all over the world. It hosts a wide range of sporting events throughout the year. The biggest ones include the Mont Blanc Marathon in June and the UTMB Trail Running Race in August. In March, the Unlimited Festival brings ravers to the mountains, while Musilac Mont Blanc takes place a month later. At the end of July, the Cosmo Jazz Festival hosts concerts all around the valley. The main attraction that brings tourists to this picturesque town is Mont Blanc, the highest mountain in Western Europe at 4810 m. Visitors either come to reach the summit themselves, view it from the station at the top of the Aiguille du Midi cable car, 3842 m, or take it in from the valley floor. Another popular place to visit is the huge Mer de Glace glacier, accessed by the vintage Montenvers train. From the top, you can descend to an ice cave excavated into the glacier via a gondola and a series of walkways and steps. Chamonix is surrounded by the stunning French Alps, which bear a striking resemblance to the Himalayas. Deep cracked glaciers stretch from the snow-covered summit of Mont Blanc to the valley floor 4.8 kilometers apart. Due to the local special geographical environment, Chamonix has become a paradise for many snow sports lovers. In 1924, the first Winter Olympics were held here. Now, with the passion of snow sports, Chamonix has become a famous tourist city in France, bringing many tourists unexpected happiness and comfort. As a unique natural attraction, Mont Blanc, known as the Roof of Europe, attracts millions of tourists every year, and thousands of climbers come to challenge it. The peak of the mountain is 4,810.45 meters above sea level. On its northern slope, there is a large glacier known as the Ice Sea, which is particularly spectacular, attracting tourists from all over the world, and is also a well-known tourist destination. In addition, Mont Blanc is also a well-known ski resort in Europe. The Savoy-Mont Blanc region of France has 18 ski regions and 114 ski resorts are closely connected. There are high-altitude, high-quality ski areas here. The ski season basically lasts from Christmas to May of the following year. Each resort has a professional ski school, which is simply a ski enthusiast's paradise. There's a wide range of restaurants in Chamonix to suit all tastes and budgets. Read our guide on all the best places to eat in Chamonix and where to find your favorite style of cuisine. Worth noting is that at lunchtime most restaurants will offer a well-priced plat du jour, dish of the day, normally consisting of locally sourced meat, potatoes and a salad or seasonal vegetables. If you like the video, please subscribe for more content.